Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very short one. I'm just here to make an announcement. I'm so happy to inform all my viewers that I will be going live every Sunday 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time with a special guest, Dr. Namrata Ghai. She is a skin, laser and hair transplant surgeon from Delhi. She has her own clinic by the name of Sunshine Skin Clinic. She always has the best advice about skin and hair. A lot of times when I do Q&A on my Instagram, so many people ask me about their concerns regarding skin and hair. I specialize in makeup, but I also show some remedies or skincare products that have worked for me on my channel or on my Instagram. By no means am I a dermatologist or the right person to ask about serious issues regarding skin and hair. So I decided to bring the right person for this job onto my channel so I can help all my viewers. I'm bringing Dr. Namrata Ghai to my channel, so I encourage everyone who asks questions to join us and let's discuss about skin and hair concerns. This will be an ongoing series. I will be doing this with Dr. Namrata every Sunday. So no matter when you're watching this video, if you have any concerns about skin or hair at all, just email me at kriti.robertson@gmail.com and I will ask Dr. Namrata on your behalf. Stay tuned for Sunday 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. We're going to discuss tips, advice, solutions regarding skin and hair. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and push that bell icon so you can get notified every time I post new videos or go live. I'm so excited to talk about skin and hair with Dr. Namrata on Sunday. I hope to see you all there. Till then, take care and bye-bye.